Good morning, ammo seekers. Today's another beautiful day in Houston, Texas, and we are on our way to the, I think this is the seventh or eighth Smash Time meet and greet at Trinity Armory up in Cleveland, Texas. Today is our after Halloween spooky event. We have some Firebird exploding targets, some pumpkins, a lot of cool subscribers. We're just gonna have a good time, so let's get to it. All right, guys, we made it to the range. Everyone's getting their rifles sighted in. We got about 35 people here today, and we have a lot of pumpkins to blow up. This is gonna be a good time. Is prepared. Ooh, got a little bit of everything. I love We got celebrities in the house.
What's up, everybody?
Boss Hog, my man. All right, the best shooter in the house right here. No pressure, Will. So Will is gonna be shooting our Tannerite target. There's no pressure.
No, none at all.
Because he's shooting an AK with iron sights.
No, I got a red dot on this one. That one's iron sights. I can't hit anything with the iron sight one. So.
All right, no pressure, buddy.
Red dot it is.
My man, you just stop working out. You're making me feel bad, Bobby. This is your first event?
Yes, it is.
Oh,
until I try and hit.
It's gonna get loud. My favorite people from Dallas.
All right.
Oh, not yet. We're gonna do count of three.
Somebody will either.
Yeah, a little premature shooting here.
One went boom. There's the pre-shoot before the actual shoot.
All right. So everybody, is everyone ready?
Y'all are ones just got here, right? Ready? Got a man.
All right, everyone's ready. All right, 1, 2, 3. Did you get it?
Oh yeah, I got it.
It took you a few shots.
I over adjusted. I was like, oh, I needed to bring it much lower.
All right, let the old man shoot while it's done.
Got it.
All right, I got my Smash Time Junior out here.
Hey.
And we're gonna be shooting his very first pumpkin.
Yeah, with a bunch of Firebirds on it.
With a bunch of Firebirds, and we're shooting today the Radical Firearm AR-15.
Hey. Is it good, Daddy?
Yeah, go ahead.
Whoa!
Oh, you got it,
Whoa!
buddy. Look at me. That's your first shot.
Whoa! Woo! That was fun!
100-year-old pistol.
It's a 1903 Colt,
1903 Colt.
32 auto.
CP, right?
Yep.
Man, that is very cool. I'm here at Trinity Armory with my good friend, John Connor. Yes, that's John Connor. And look at what he's shooting today. He's got a nice little collection. Here, let me turn the camera around. Look at this. A very nice 6-inch Kimber. Springfield Armory, Rock Island. Very, very nice. We're out here hitting steel. And here we are doing the raffle. My apologies about the audio. I had a couple helpers not show up today, so I was kind of a one-man show. So the video and the audio is a little limited on this event. I want to say a special thank you to Firebird Targets for supplying all the targets for this event. These things are so much fun to shoot. If you're tired of just shooting regular steel, pick up a pack of these. It will make your next range trip so much more fun. A special thank you to Trinity Armory. What a cool facility. Very family friendly. And if you're in the North Houston or Cleveland area, absolutely stop in and check them out. The raffle's always a good time. Today we gave out a bunch of Save Your Equipment bags, some Wheeler multi-tools, which, man, those things are so valuable. When you're at the range and you have some equipment go down or you need to tighten a scope or something, it's invaluable to have a multi-tool with you at all times. Thank you. There you go. And we also gave out a Siley Red Dot. For a range rifle, that thing is amazing. It has shake awake. It's pretty durable and it holds 0 for under $100. If you want to check it out, I'll post a link to everything we gave out down below in the description. And finally, I want to say a special thank you to all the subscribers that came out showing so much love and support for the event. Without you guys, the channel wouldn't be where it is today. The next event is going to be in the middle of April, and it's going to be so much fun. Long range, bolt action shooting. Yeah, we're going to go there. Thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time.